So friends, problem number 6.9 of your textbook, chapter number 6. The reaction given is, question given is combustion of benzene taking place at 298 Kelvin temperature and 1 bar pressure. So this is the condition given, and this condition is for standard conditions. So enthalpy change we will consider will be the delta H0. H0 means standard condition. For standard condition, two minimum requirements are there. First is temperature 298 Kelvin and pressure 1 bar given here. After combustion, carbon dioxide and water are produced. So ultimately, the simple thing is given. Combustion of benzene is to be considered. So first of all, we have to make the proper, write the proper chemical formula, which must be balanced. And benzene is given. So the formula of benzene, friends, is C6H6. So C6H6 and the combustion is always takes place in presence of, friends, oxygen. So combustion of benzene with oxygen taking place, and the products are what? Products are carbon dioxide gas and the H2O liquid. This is given in the question only. And by considering these two lines, we can make a chemical equation, and this is C6H6 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. Still, something else is given, and 3267 kilojoule heat is liberated. This is also given. So meaning of it is here the 3267 kilojoule heat. This heat either can be mentioned here on the product side by adding plus in the products, or you can also write it as delta RH0, which must be 3267 kilojoule, but minus. Why minus? Because the word is given liberated. Liberated means exothermic. Exothermic means the delta H0 is negative. Friends, while we mention this separately here, we must not write it here. And friends, as per the given question, we have to write this instead of here. Okay, so this is one thing. Second thing here, calculate the standard enthalpy of formation for benzene. So standard enthalpy formation for benzene is to be calculated. So H0 of C6H6, that is benzene, is to be calculated. Still, so question is given standard enthalpies for carbon dioxide. For carbon dioxide, it is given, as well as for water it is given. For carbon dioxide, the value is given, friends, 393.5. So for carbon dioxide, friends, it's 393.5, and that is negative kilojoule per mole. And for water, friends, it is given minus 285.83 kilojoule per mole. So this is the given data. Still, this is not completed. Values are given for both the compounds are written here, but our reaction is not balanced. So we must balance the reaction first. You can see this is the C6. So 6 carbons are present on left side, which is part of benzene. So we must not decrease this. Instead of it, we have to put here 6. So 6 carbon balanced. As you know, by the law of balancing, the alone element is to be balanced at last. And that's why oxygen we will balance at last. Hydrogens, you can see here 6, here it is 2. So we must multiply it by 3 to make it 6. So this is C6H6 plus O2, 6 CO2, 3 H2O. Now you can see on left side 6 carbon, right side 6 carbons. On right side 3 2s are 6 hydrogens, and 6 hydrogens are present here. What is about the oxygen? 6 2s are 12 and 3. 15 oxygens are present on right hand side, whereas on left hand side it is only 2. So we must put here 15 by 2. And this is balanced chemical equation. By using this balanced equation, now we have to find the question mark means the enthalpy, standard enthalpy of benzene. How it is possible? Let's check it out. The ideal reaction, which is mentioned on the right hand side of the board, you can see delta RH0 is equal to sigma H0 of products minus sigma H0 of reactants. So friends, delta RH0 of the reaction is equal to sigma H0 of products minus sigma H0 of reactants. So this is the formula. Let's put the values in the formula. Products. Products are on the right side. You can see 6 time carbon dioxide is there, 6 moles. So we have to multiply 6 by 6 H0 of carbon dioxide gas. This is the first thing. Plus, friends, the moles are of water, 3 moles of 3 into H0 of H2O liquid. So these two are products. Sigma means addition. So here addition of the enthalpy values of friends, the products are mentioned here minus now sigma H0 of reactant. Reactant you can see are two. First of all is H0 of C6H6 and plus this is 15 by 2 moles of H0 of O2 gas. So this is the formation of the reaction we put here. Now we have to put the values, but before that we have to keep in mind two important things. First of all, delta H0R is already given here 3267. So we must put here the value minus 3267. This is kilojoule. And friends, on right hand side, we have to put the values 6 into H0 of carbon dioxide is already given here. That is minus 393.5 kilojoule. This is kilojoule per mole given. So this amount is for 1 mole. And in our question, friends, there are 6 moles. So we have to multiply this value by 6. One more thing is here, that is about water. This is 3 mole given here. And for 1 mole, it is minus 285.83. This is the total of the reactants. Now, friends, products, sorry, and reactants. H0 of C6H6 is not given. That is, we have to find. You can see here, H0 of C6 is H6 is to be found. Plus, friends, this is 15 by 2. H0 of O2 is 0. Always, friends, always remember, friends, the enthalpy change of alone element is to be considered 0. And that's why oxygen is alone. That's why the value of enthalpy change of oxygen is placed here 0. Okay, friends. Now, as you know, calculator is allowed here. So you can use the calculator to get the values. Minus 3267 kilojoule is the left hand side value. Now on right hand side, if you do 393.5 into 6, you will get the answer 2361. This is also kilojoule. Just simple multiplication of 393.5 into 6, you will get the answer, this one. Okay, friends. And if you go for the 283.85, 85.83 multiply by 3, you will get the answer 857.49. And this will be also negative value, friends. Right? And then this is H0 of C6H6. This is 0. Now the simple thing, we have to consider these two values together, 2361 and this. So friends, this is minus minus plus, and the 3281, that is the friends 3281. That is the friends total of this 2.49 kilojoule minus H0 of C6H6, and this is minus 3267 kilojoule. By simplifying, very easy, it is 3267 plus 3281 here, 0.49, and friends, we will get the answer of enthalpy change of C6H6. This is minus. Here we will get the answer 48.51. This is H0 of C6H6. We will obtain 48.51. But here still there is a simple problem that H0 of C6H6 is negative here, and that's why friends we have to put minus value here instead of here. You can see this is minus C6H6, and that's why I put it here, and this is kilojoule. So 48.51. One more thing here, either this is 1 mole value, and that's why I can write kilojoule per mole, because this value we got for only 1 mole of benzene. You can see we have taken only 1 mole of benzene, and that's why the enthalpy change we obtain for the 1 mole of benzene. Now please check it out. Once again I tell you the whole thing summary, please check it out. Problem number 6.9, combustion of benzene, the reaction is given, H2O and carbon dioxide are the products given, as well as the amount of heat liberated is also given. That is our total enthalpy change for the reaction, which is also given here, 3267 kilojoule, not per mole. You have to first of all make the balanced chemical equation. You have to write by considering the data given in the question. C6H6, the formula of benzene, you must know. Oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water are the products. Now you can see products minus reactant is the very simple formula for enthalpy change. We have to put it the values, and you will get the answer. Okay, friends, thank you.